They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say damn, I learned some lessons. And say damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
Tatakbo. Ganyan ang ulo niya. Naman.
Ayan, hindi nila sukat. Ang lumabas ba? Balikan ng mga buwang malo. Balikan ng mga buwang malo. Ayun na. Napakan na. Ayos, ayun na. Grabe, ang laki. Ba't na? Ayun, dami. Ayan, ito naman tayo lalaki sa kabila. Ito, dami. Marami ito guys. Ang dami. Ayun, naglaga ng mga mga. Hindi pa dyan siya na guys. Tapos lagi ko doon sa kain. Hindi tayaran. Hindi ka ito guys. Nagpupara mo rin. Ang dami. Lagi ko doon sa plano na yung nakatulog din sa'yo eh. Bawal sa kasyon. Yan po ginagawa sa gitna. Pinananagalis nila ha. Tapos, bawal po kasi yan, ma'am. Bawal. Ang galit niya, oh. Bawal. Hindi ko kung bakit nila yun dyan ilagay. Ayun, nakadami. Tangkak na yung lagay. Baka sabihin nyo, AI lang to. Hindi ito. Ay, gumagalaw yung mga tao. Pag yan guys, isa lang yung gumagalaw. Ay, lahat yan gumagalaw. Sila lahat. Bakit mo ito? Yan, walang AI dyan. Kaming Jeremy dapat yung din. Nakagawa ako. Natuwa ng ginagawa. Sa amin po nila, ang ginastos nila dito. Mga kaibigan, mga bayan. Inabot daw ng 19 million. Back out, 19 million. Grabe, di ba? Ito na 19 million.